Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today I was going through my thermometers as cold and flu season's coming up. I wanted to make sure they were working, and turned out half of them had batteries that were dead, and some of them I think they were dead because we couldn't figure out how to get the battery door open. Well, we're going to work on this Exergen. It's a TAT-2000C Smart Glow, and the door just seems really stuck. I wasn't sure we were doing it right, but I ended up figuring it out. Luckily, it is something that even I can do. Okay, let's get right to it. For this, you will need a credit card or perhaps a flathead screwdriver. Now, it should just open without anything tool-wise, but for some reason, sometimes it gets stuck. So there are these three little bumps here, these little rivets. You're going to use your thumb, press down on those, and push away from the top of the thermometer. And once you get it, even just a little bit of a crack, you should be able to slide a credit card in there. And when you do that, just slide it in that little groove, and then flex the card, and then it just magically pops open. So like, I'll use every ounce of strength to try to open it. Couldn't get it done. Pop that credit card in there. There it was. All right, there's your battery. It's a 9-volt. The plus side is on the right, so when you put the new battery in, that's the shorter side there. Make sure you have the plus on that side. Just push that in there, take your door, and then just slide it shut again, and you should be back in business. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, please subscribe, and until next time, this has been Steve for things that even I can do.